Hello, kids! Welcome to Writing by Planet Spark.
Let's build a sentence. Ready to play? Cat runs in the garden. See the cat run in the garden. Quiz time, let's go! Question 1. Guess, which is an animal? Cat? Garden? Yay, cat, you're right! Question 2. Choose. Which word shows action? Run? Cat? Awesome, run! Fill. A cat can... Super, run! Fun break. Clap 3 times. Clap, clap, clap. Question 4. Guess, where do plants grow? Yes, garden. Great! Question 5. Choose. Pick the correct order. Cat, run, garden. Cat runs in the garden. Nice! B. Cat runs in the garden. Question 6. Read and say. Cat runs in the garden. Cat runs in the garden. Woohoo! Say it loud!
Please like and subscribe the channel.
Question 7. Fill. The cat runs in the... Amazing! Garden! Fun break. Find something green. Question 8. Guess. Is run an action word? Yes, no.
Yes, correct! Question 9. Choose. Who is running? Cat? Garden? Great job! Cat! Question 10. Fill. Blank runs in the garden. Yay! Cat! Fun break. Run in place for 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Run, run, run!
Question 11. Can we add the in a sentence? Yes, no. Yes, smart! Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Question 12. Which is a faux sentence? Cat, garden, run. The cat runs in the garden. The cat runs in the garden. Correct! B. Question 13. Read. The cat runs fast. super reading. Fill the cat blank in the garden. Awesome! Runs! Question 15. Challenge. Make your own sentence with cat, run, garden. Brilliant! You're a sentence star.
How many answers did you write correctly? Tell us in the comments.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.